First, congratulations on taking the first step in learning how to plan for success. All successful people have a plan on how they achieve wealth and freedom. Now that you have the guide to success, I want to show you the best way to build an online business. I received your information that you are looking for a way to work from home and generate income. Working from home or wherever there is an internet connection gives you the opportunity to find financial freedom, but more importantly, time freedom. The choice to choose what you do with your time on a daily basis. There are many ways to do this, some are great and others are not so hot. Some are legit and some are scams. I want to help you get started the right way and begin a journey that will help you achieve both financial freedom and time freedom. You now have access to planning for success and the steps that it takes. Now I want to introduce you to how you can make an incredible income working from your laptop. There is a company that has been in business since 2006 and has helped hundreds of thousands build an online business. They have everything you can think of to make that happen for you. There are many elements to building a home-based business in which you are going to have to learn to be successful. What if there was a place that was proven to not only give you all the training you need, but also most of the tools you will need to build that business? How about support? What if you had access to people just like you who are willing to help you every step of the way 24/7? There are so many elements to building a legitimate home-based business that it would take an hour-long video to explain those components. Is there a place where all of these come together? Is there a training system that will take you step by step and teach you everything you need to know? Is there a place that has the tools and resources you will need to build that business? Yes, there is. It is called Wealthy Affiliate. Wealthy Affiliate has been around for 12 years helping people just like you. Wealthy Affiliate has all the training and tools and support all in one place to give you the greatest chance of success to financial and time freedom. They have a free option that you can join now and begin to experience all they have to offer. They will give you 2 free websites you can build. They will give you full support for 7 days. They will give you access to some of the training so you can begin to learn how to build a business. Wealthy Affiliate will be your home online to give you everything you need to succeed. Click on the link below this video and sign up for free today and begin a new chapter in your life.